What's going on, YouTube? Tomorrow we're gonna do an unboxing in Tiny4x4. You guys know what that is? OH32 803. All right. Oh yeah, and I love Buy It Break It Fix's OH32. That yellow and black. That's like my Defender up there. Oh, it's like the camel trophy truck. It looks good, bro. All right. So about this comment from Jacob that I just saw on my YouTube. He was asking about the wires. Now this is just some wires that are just duct tape gouged together, but I got the servo wire going straight to my RX. I don't have it going to the ESC speed controller. I don't have one of those the little plugs or whatever, the small JST plug. Yeah, you want it on a flat surface as possible. Let it initialize. I know you were saying you don't have your motor hooked up right now, and then you're not getting steering. Check this servo, plug it up to another car, to another RX, just to see if make sure it's not your servo. Make sure your servo's not blown. This wire right here that's coming from the servo, this is so you can, check, adjust the gyro, and I believe the endpoints and stuff. But I don't have this hooked up because I don't know how to adjust the endpoints on this radio. So yeah, this is how I hook up my, I know it's wires everywhere. I've been worried about getting paint for the body and everything, and then still trying to learn how to drift this car. But yeah, and I turned the gyro down significantly. Don't know how much I should try and turn it up. Yeah, it's really turned down really low, but yeah, that's how I got mine hooked up. I'm not using that back plug. I'm just using the servo. Now your signal wire is going to be, well, that all depends on your RX, which way your signal and your ground and stuff is. But yeah, that's pretty much my wiring. I know I got a bunch of tape here. Yeah, it looks like I'm getting some electrical issues there. Alright. That way you can see how the ESC is supposed to work. And then read the directions. I don't know if you got yours programmed. I would have to go back and look at the directions on how to program it, because I don't have it. I don't remember it offhand. I know you had to like program the throttle and everything. There really wasn't anything to program on the steering, I know. But alright, I hope that helps out, man. This is how I got my wires hooked up. I gotta straighten out my gyro too. But yeah. Alright, I hope that helps. I got a bunch of wires everywhere. This is my antenna. Excuse all the mess. But it's just the power, to go straight to the power to the ESC, and then that third channel wire right there, this is for the gyro, like I was saying, to hook up that wire that's over there hanging. But alright, man, I hope that helps out. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys tomorrow for the unboxing. Peace out. Actually, I might do it later on tonight. Actually, yeah, give me a little bit. I think my GoPro's charged. We will unbox the Tiny 4x4. Alright, guys, later.